National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central and Arundel County in Central Maryland, Northwestern St. Mary's County in Southern Maryland. Chance of rain 60%. This hazardous weather outlook is for the Maryland Charles County in Southern Maryland until 1:45 a.m. At 12:57 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Clinton to near St. Charles to near Quantico, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central and Arundel County in Central Maryland, Northwestern St. Mary's County in Southern Maryland, Northwestern Calvert County in Southern Maryland, Southern Prince George's County in Central Maryland, Charles County in Southern Maryland, until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:57 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Clinton to near St. Charles to near Quantico, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, Clinton, Fort Washington, La Plata, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, Upper Marlboro, Breezy Point, Port Tobacco River, Andrews Air Force Base, Rosaryville, Marlton, Dunkirk, St. Charles, Accokeek, Bryan's Road, Brandywine, Huntingtown, Hughesville, and Owings. For your protection, move to an interior room on the